if we have an economic collapse as a result, or a downgrading of our fiscal situation, the poor will get hurt first and worst. And there are three reasons for this. Number one is that economic opportunity dries up in a financial crisis. The jobs at the lower rungs will be the first ones to go. The people who, when they're consolidating, they look for the low-wage jobs first. Those are the supposedly the easiest ways, but they're definitely the first ways. I'm not saying they're the best ways, but the first places, the first jobs to go when economic jobs, when economic opportunities, when jobs dry up, this hurts the poor more. The second is with respect to social programs. Now, I talked a fair bit about doing things a different way, having a better way of doing things. But if we have this kind of fiscal collapse where we need to make cuts fast, we won't be looking at a better way. And if you look at what the Democrats are saying versus what the Republicans are saying, let's say the Democrats are saying, let's continue to spend at these on these programs at continually higher rates. More is better is the approach. We won't be able to do that, so you'll have cuts. But you won't be able to do the Republican approach either, which is smart, targeted reforms. You will just have indiscriminate cuts, and those indiscriminate cuts won't serve either party's rhetoric, but they won't serve either party's interests, nor will they serve the poor. I think they will be disastrous, and they're something that I'm very worried about. The third reason that the poor get hurt first and worst in these situations is the wealth gap. The poor have, it's like the old Fitzgerald Hemingway line that the rich are different than you and me. Yes, they have more money. Well, the poor are different also because they have less wealth. They not only have less income, but they have less wealth. In fact, there's a study by the Federal Reserve that suggests that the people in the lowest quintile, the people in our lowest economic quintile, have under $10,000 of wealth. That's not much of a cushion to fall back on should there be an economic crisis, should jobs dry up, and then should social programs be cut indiscriminately in a way that nobody wants to happen.